Hello, I'm Kevin with ConvoActive, and I'm here to talk to you about our session, our class, course, whatever you want to call it, on brainstorming. It's a great way to get ideas, of course, and to be able to put things together and even invent things, right? It's also a terrific way to tap into your creativity. And the more creative you get, of course, the more creative you get. And so whether you're just looking for help with just getting a little bit of input and doing some brainstorming on a one-off project, well, maybe for a few projects, or you're wanting to just start to really enhance your creativity and to be able to build upon that, because really being creative it makes everything in life easier. You really can start to navigate. You can make things so much easier by being creative. So anyway, I just want to let you know that if you're looking for a good creative partner to bounce things off of, and we do it via Zoom, so that's kind of neat because we can actually use they have their whiteboard. If you're not familiar with Zoom, you may well be aware of this. A lot of people use Zoom. But we can use a whiteboard just as if you and I were in the same room. We can start writing down these ideas and we can just hash them out. And like I like to do, it really gets the creative juices going. And this is the same thing I do, like if I'm looking to write a song or something like that, is I just take the ideas and put them together and then just kind of boil them down again and do it again and boil them down. And each time creating even more ideas. And the next thing you know, you've really got something that's workable. It's like you start to almost invent something out of thin air, and it becomes more and more solid and useful. And that's what, to me, brainstorming is all about. And so I have a lot of fun with it. I love the synergy that comes about with having somebody to bounce things off of, so to speak. So anyway, well, that's it. I hope that if you are looking to get more creative, or you're just working, like I said, on a project and you want somebody to brainstorm with, hey, I'm here for you. And I look forward to stirring it up with you. Brainstorming. Thank you very much.